Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your Gmail account is signed in on the device you'll use. Once done, open the Google Pay app or visit Pay. Google.com and sign in with the same Gmail address. This links identity. Make sure your phone number and recovery email match your Gmail account so verification messages arrive. Next, tap Profile or Payment Methods to begin adding a card. These initial steps ensure Google can verify you and connect Gmail to payment features. Now you add a payment method. Tap Add Payment Method and type the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Make sure the billing address exactly matches what your bank has on file. Mismatches cause verification failures. Once submitted, Google will ask to verify ownership via SMS, email to your Gmail, or a small temporary charge. Follow the bank's prompt and enter any OTP. After verification, the card is linked to your Google account, enabling payments and receipts tied to that Gmail. Finish by enabling receipts and notifications so purchases show in Gmail and Google Pay. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and toggle Receipts on. Make sure your Gmail inbox receives the confirmation email and that the linked device list includes the phone you used. If payment items don't appear, sign out and back into both apps, update Google Pay, or remove and re-add the card. If verification still fails, contact your bank to clear blocks. Then retry. This usually resolves holdups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.